Hello students, welcome to our maths class in 3rd standard. In last video, we learn about 4-digit addition without carryover and with carryover. Now, today we going to start chapter 4, subtraction. Recall. You already learned about subtraction in previous standard. So, what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. It is also called differences between two numbers. Now, when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. Means अगर हम किसी सेम नंबर में से वही नंबर माइनस करते हैं तो आंसर 0 आता है. नेक्स्ट रूल, व्हेन 0 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड अ नंबर द आंसर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. अगर किसी नंबर में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर जो नंबर है वही की वही रहेगा. नाउ वी कैनॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट अ बिगर नंबर फ्रॉम अ स्मॉलर नंबर. कभी भी हम बिगर नंबर बड़े नंबर में से स्मॉल नंबर में से बड़े नंबर को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी स्टार्ट. रिकॉल. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग. 3-digit number. Here 100, tens and ones. 367 minus this symbol is subtract. We also called minus 53. So we start from ones place. So 7 minus 3. How to minus? We take 7 finger and left we cut 3 finger. 1, 2, 3. So how many finger left? 1, 2, 3, 4. We write 4 on ones place. Now 6 minus 5. So we take 6 finger and we take away 5 finger. We cut 5 finger and 1 left. So 1 write on tens place. Now here 100 place 3 number and downside is no number. So 3 number is itself write on 100 place. Now B. 459 148. We first subtract ones place number. 9 minus 8. We take 9 finger and minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is left. So write on ones place 1. 5 minus 4. We take 5 finger and we cut 4. Subtract 5 from 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is left. 1 write on tens place. Now 4 minus 1. We take 4 finger and now see number 690. Subtract 58. 58 subtract from 690. Now in ones place here first type 0 and minus 8. 8 is minus from 0? No. So what we do? We take borrow from tens place. So we take borrow here 1 tens and here left 8. Now 10 minus 8. We take 10 finger and minus 8. here number 8. 8 minus 5. So we take 8 finger minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many left? 3 is left. So 3 write on tens place. Now here 100 place 6 number. Down side is no number. So 6 write down same number. 632. Now next question. Write the subtraction fact for the following. Here write 12 plus 4 equals 60. How to write subtraction fact? In 16 number, we minus 12. So we get 4 number. We write 2 subtraction fact. 16 minus here 12 number equal 4. Now second fact. 16 minus 4 equal 12. So we write 2 subtraction fact for this number. Now second, 8 plus 9 equal 70. Same way we write first 70 minus first we minus 8 equal 9 is left. Now second fact 70 minus 9 equal 8. So we write 2 subtraction fact are these number. Now exercise number 4.1. Solve the following. Here we sum without borrowing. Now 1100 tens at ones place. 5436. 2104. We subtract these number. 6 minus 4. We take 6 finger and minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 2 is 2 are left. So 2 write on ones place. 30 we already remember. If 0 is separate, so number is itself there. So 3 is 303. 4 minus 1. We take 4 finger. We minus 1. How many left? 1, 2, 3. 3 write on 100 place. Now 5 minus 2. We take 5 finger minus 2. 1, 2. And with how many left? 1, 2, 3. 3 write on 1000 place. 3332. Now we will do next sum. 1 0. We subtract one's place number. Downside is 0. So 1 is write down itself number. 7 minus 5. We take 7 finger. and 4 is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 4. So 4 write on tens place. Now here 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 7. So we take 9 finger. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many left? 2 left. So 2 write on thousand place. 2043. Now, second. Subtract the following seconds from minus. Now, here write 8,400 will from 9,657. Means here write first small number and in last 9,657. One is greatest number. Here write from means 8,400 will from 9,657 means हमें 9,657 में से 8,412 को माइनस करना है. So we arrange these number thousand, hundred, tens and ones column. So first we write thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Now first write with bigger number. So 9,600, 5 10 and 7 ones. Downside we arrange this number 8,400, 1 tens, 2 ones. Now we do subtract. 7 minus 2 we take 7 figure and we number is minus 2. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is left. So 5 write on ones please. Here 5 minus 1. 5 figure take on one hand and 1 is minus. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 left. So 4 write on tens place. 100 is 6 minus 4. So we take 6 finger and minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many left? 2 is left. So 2 write on 100 place. Now 1000 place. 9 minus 8. We take 9 finger. Okay. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is left. So 1 write on 1000 place. Now number B. 2,362 from 6,789. Here B 6,789 minus 2,362. Why? The number in this figure. इस नंबर में से इसे माइनस करना है. So we arrange the first number 1000, 100, tens and ones column. Now first write bigger number. So 6,700, 8 tens, 9 ones. Downside 2,300, 6 10 and 2 ones. Now we subtract this number. 9 minus 2. We take 9 finger minus 2. 1 and 2. How many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. So 7 right on one's place. 10 6. 8 minus 6. So we take 8 finger and take away 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many there? 2. So 2 right one and 6. Here 7. 7 minus 3. We take 7 finger and 3 take away. 1,